Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Girls
Unchecked.
Unchecked. आज का टॉपिक है
Women's safety in India.
Yeah, so today it's a bit of a difficult, serious topic.
Yes, but ठीक है, it's okay.
It's an important topic. I think we
this needs to be discussed.
Yeah.
And we will obviously discuss all the important points. ऐसे हम लोगों को कुछ we are not going to gossip or this and that. But some feelings we want to express as a female living in India. What do we feel about our safety?
Absolutely.
है ना, जब हम public places में जाते हैं तो हमें कितना safe, अपने घर पे हमें कितना safe feel होता है, men के around कितना safe feel होता है. So we just want to give out our perspective. Maybe you can agree with it, maybe you cannot.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is what we have felt since the very beginning, since we were a child.
Yeah. Yeah.
Whatever.
And we're going to share our experiences as well.
Whatever
like,
experiences we had as a child, as a teenager, and now as a
growing
grown
up in the society.
as a
right?
grown up female, what do we feel?
So tell me, starting from the very basic, I feel like, I mean, we don't even need to talk about this. Women's safety in India is a joke. Can we agree?
Yeah, like not just in India, I would say it's in many places.
No, right now, if just like see worldwide, it will be a much huge topic.
but
if we are concentrating
the
on
people,
India,
the main problem is the people in power have made it a joke.
yeah, I agree. But nonetheless, currently, women's safety in India is a joke.
You can say that.
It is. Like I would argue that it is with all the things going on around us right now, and I mean, from where to start? I think bachpan se hi. It's just the patriarchy is so deep rooted. I feel जब से हम लोग स्कूल में भी जाते हैं, I'll talk about a very basic thing. हमारा school uniforms, there's some decorum, right? Like लड़के narrow fit, low waist पैंट्स नहीं पहनेंगे, लड़कियां शॉर्ट स्कर्ट्स नहीं पहनेंगे. I was in I was studying in a co-ed school, and our school also had the same rules. But the thing is, when it came to the boys, it was like they were breaking a rule. They were trying to look cool, and they were doing it for the style.
Naughty. They were
being naughty, right? But when it came to the girls, like the teachers themselves, we were just teenagers, like we didn't know better, right? अगर कोई short skirt पहन भी रहा है, maybe to impress a guy, maybe to have some fashion sense in school, which is wrong. But अगर मेरा कोई teacher ही आके मुझे ऐसे बोले कि slut shame करे, character shame करे कि oh you are wearing short skirts to show boys, हाँ what do you want, ऐसे
वही I think that ठीक है, ये short skirt पहना तुम्हें सही नहीं लग रहा है. You can tell the girl that you're breaking a rule. Yeah, you cannot talk to a 12-13-year-old girl like this that you are trying to impress boys.
Yes.
You cannot slut shame literally a 12-year-old girl.
Yeah, because उस time पे obviously I wouldn't realize the difference, but now as a grown woman, I can like जब मैं किसी 12-13 साल के बच्चे को देखती हूँ, they feel like they're grown up. They like to feel like adults, but they are like their brain is so immature at that point. उस time में how you treat them defines them the way they grow up. तो उस टाइम में अगर तुम किसी इंसान को, किसी लड़की को ऐसे फील करा दो कि oh I'm being a slut just because of my clothing choices or just because I'm trying to flirt with someone or something, that's a shame on my character. I can't even imagine like growing up what sort of a mentality that person would have.
Exactly. I would when this happened with me, like everybody faces it. Every girl faces it at some point, unless she's wearing a like this long skirt, she'll face this. So मेरे साथ जब होता था तो See, I used to express myself like that. ठीक है, मेरे कपड़ों के थ्रू या कैसे मैं खुद को ग्रूम करती हूँ, I like to express myself through that. तो जब मुझे उस चीज़ के लिए इतना गंदे से call out, like there's a way to call out.
Yeah.
You can say that
this is against the rules. You are in a school, don't do this. That's different.
And some people
totally
would do that.
With that.
Some teachers would do that.
Yeah.
And I, being a rebel, like a 13-year-old girl, I would like to not mind it. Like
they just like to be that way.
Every 13-14-year child breaks rules.
Yeah.
It's normal part of growing up, right? So I would just okay, whatever. But someday, I don't know, very spiteful teacher would just see me and she would be like, कि हाँ तुमको किसको attract करना है ऐसे करके, and I'm like, what attract? Like what? Like this is me. I'm just trying to be me. मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता अगर लिटरली सारे लड़के खड़े होकर ये भी बोले ना कि शनाया तुम डिस्गस्टिंग दिख रही हो, वी आर नॉट गेटिंग अट्रैक्टेड बाय यू, I'd be like, I don't care, mind your business. This is me and that's why I'm doing it. I'm not doing it for you, for anybody. I'm doing it for myself.
Yeah, but that's the thing. For me also, I feel like I used to like my skirts a little bit chota because who likes to wear skirts like this? It doesn't look
Exactly.
smart. It doesn't look.
It looks very
well groomed.
awkward.
Huh, it looks like you're like not well maintained.
That was my whole point.
It gives me confidence if I look
Exactly.
smart and well put up, right?
Yeah, and skirts like that did look awkward
Yeah,
with the
because
shirt
you have
and
like
the
a tucked in
tie.
shirt and a tie, and you
it-
have socks also that go still
Yeah.
here, and
It
then you
looks
have
so awkward,
it doesn't look
man.
good, right? So it's fine. And I got slut shamed by this teacher once. I think I was in class 8. Like I'm so young at that point, and not because of my uniform. It was because of my hairstyle. Like मेरा बचपन से boy cut, buzz cut hair था, and then from class 6 onwards I started growing it out, and by the time I was in 8 I had like ponytail करने वाला hair. So I came to school like that, and then first of all she was not even our teacher, she was a substitute, and somehow she came and she did not like my appearance or something, and she was like, oh, you come to school to do fashion show, you're wearing a ponytail, you should do 2 braids like this and keep it like this, ऐसे वाला
Why? Who are
flat.
you to say
Like,
that?
why are you commenting on me like this? And
Exactly.
the funniest part is that was the
So
teacher
toxic.
who would have the loudest makeup of all the teachers in the lounge.
And, yeah.
Like she would have dark lipstick and the mota kala wala kajal.
Even with not all those like makeup,
Yeah.
every teacher comes in clothes which she likes, right?
Yeah.
If I would call you out for that, कि आपने ये कलर क्यों पहना है? ये कलर आपने boys को attract करने के लिए पहना है? Why are you
Exactly.
wearing black? It's looking good on you. You're trying to attract boys for like it doesn't make sense, right? It's like so offensive, and ये बहुत ही गलत था on so
And
many
the fact
levels.
that it starts from the school level, like when
Exactly.
people are growing. जैसे तुमने बोला, right, कि school में teenagers are rebellious. It's very normal. They will break rules.
But
I think
character
this
shaming
no.
is-
But that's what the teachers think of this way for the boys. They'll be like, oh, they are boys. They are teenage rebels.
Rebellious,
They'll
yeah.
be like that. But
They
when it
won't be
comes to the
judged.
girl, they're like, you should know better. You have to be better. You have to be a different character. You have to be more dhaka dhuka, more Sati Savitri types.
And I would
If you are loud, then you are.
and I'm all for it if that is ensuring my
Yeah.
safety. I'm
No,
all for it.
No, I am not.
I
all
can
for it.
see
Like,
if somebody tells me that सिर्फ तुम अच्छे से ढक लो खुद को तो boys won't stare at you, won't ogle at you and all that. अगर ये कभी नहीं होगा ना, if I can stay very comfortable, if I can avoid all that negative attention, I would still do it. Even if I don't like my clothes,
Yeah.
I'll still wear it to avoid negative attention. But you know what? That is not going to happen. I'm still not safe because women in sarees get raped, women in burqas get raped. It's not even about like their clothes anymore.
It's not even about women, because if you see child rape statistics in India also, I read somewhere that I think in 2022, like just the year alone, the number of cases reported for child rape was around 38,000.
Yeah.
Can you imagine? And that is the number of cases reported, whereas we all know कि most of the time sexual assault and rapes
not
and
reported.
all these things, these get like shoved under the carpet because तुम्हारे खुद के family members ही बोलेंगे कि नहीं, you shouldn't speak out, yeah, let it be, something bad happen, you should be, because I mean,
And I totally understand that, to be honest.
Because the mentality-
police doesn't help the victim.
Yeah,
They
yeah.
just tell her कि क्यों तुम. In fact, they also
they start
advise.
questioning
Exactly.
ulta unko, and somehow I don't know from where this notion came that if someone is raped or sexually assaulted and it comes out, it's not like somehow the girl becomes dirty, like you wouldn't want to be with that girl, or you wouldn't want to marry that girl. I mean, what's
But with the
how-
guy, nothing happens.
no one
Nothing.
cares, like, or but I honestly feel in India most of the time the protests and whatever happens, it only happens when a woman is brutally murdered or raped,
Like
and
very brutally.
very brutally, and it's become very public. And then do you realize how many like sexual assault and rape cases happen
और
on the
ऐसा भी
daily.
नहीं है कि brutally नहीं होता है, literally their bodies
होता
are
भी
burned,
है, होता
but
भी है. But their own family members don't want it to go
exactly
out.
ये इसीलिए इतना पब्लिक हुआ है अभी वाला केस, बिकॉज लिटरली एक हॉस्पिटल में हुआ है, नहीं तो ब्रूटल रेप्स बहुत होते हैं.
और did you see this कि by the time this happened, the Kolkata rape and murder case, and by I think day 15 or day 16, where India was at the peak of its protests and all that, within those 15 days there were 900 rape cases.
So many and so many brutal ones. You saw newspaper में जो stories
child
look back,
rape,
कितना सारा,
teenagers.
so many brutal ones were coming on the headlines. ये अचानक से तो नहीं हो रहा है, it happens
this was
every
happening
day.
all the time. It's just because that particular thing gained traction, उसके चक्कर में बाकी अभी बाहर आ
यही
रहे
होता है.
हैं.
निर्भया के टाइम भी यही हो रहा था, सारे रेप केसेस हाईलाइट हो रहे थे, फिर नॉर्मल हो गया.
Doesn't mean it stopped though.
No.
It's
It's just
happening
that it's
all
not
the
gaining
time.
public attention.
Yeah, exactly. So it's not nothing like.
The worst thing is these politicians. They are their job is women's safety. यार आपका आधा population safe नहीं है. Your job is to make sure that they are safe. और आप लोग क्या कर रहे हो? क्या पहना था इसने? लड़की का कैरेक्टर
रात
खराब
में बाहर
था, रात
थी.
में बाहर थी. लड़कियां इतना बॉयज के साथ फ्रेंडशिप करती
हाँ,
हैं, आउटगोइंग हो गई है.
आजकल लड़कियां आउटगोइंग हो गई. आजकल लड़कियां दारू पीती है, पार्टी करती है, तो इनके साथ तो रेप होना ही है.
यार मतलब क्यों आप लड़कों को नहीं सिखा सकते हो कि लड़की जस्ट बिकॉज घर से बाहर निकल रही है वो तुम्हारी रेप करने की प्रॉपर्टी नहीं बन जाती? इजंट दैट द बेसिक ऑफ ह्यूमन सिविलाइजेशन का बेसिक रूल कि आपको नहीं करना है किसी इंसान के साथ ऐसा? मतलब लिटरली आप ये नहीं बोल सकते हो ना. आजकल चोरियां इसलिए हो रही है क्योंकि लोगों के पास पैसा आ गया तो चोरी तो होगी.
हाँ,
you cannot justify things like
that's
that.
what I'm trying to say. See, I feel like society का नोशन ही ये है कि बॉयज आर लस्टफुल. बॉयज तो लस्टी होंगे ही. इट्स अ गिवन. इफ यू आर शोइंग, इफ यू आर पार्टिंग, गोइंग आउट, इफ यू आर शोइंग योरसेल्फ टू द गाइज, देन एक्सपेक्ट टू बी रेप्ड और असॉल्टेड और कॉल्ड आउट. लाइक तुम्हारी गलती है, तुम अपना बॉडी लेके बाहर दुनिया में निकल रहे हो.
60-70% लोगों का यही माइंडसेट है. यही माइंडसेट है. एंड एवरीथिंग रॉन्ग विद दिस माइंडसेट इज, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप किसी का क्राइम जस्टिफाई कर रहे हो. सेकेंडली आपको कोई ना कोई एक्सक्यूज हमेशा मिलेगा. कभी वो लड़की का कपड़ा खराब होगा, कभी वो गलत टाइम पे घर से निकली होगी, कभी लिटरली कोई एक्सक्यूज नहीं मिलेगा. उसका फैमिली मेंबर ही उसके साथ गलत कर रहा है, वहाँ के एक्सक्यूज दोगे. कभी लिटरली 3 साल के बच्चे के साथ हो रहा है, वहाँ क्या एक्सक्यूज दोगे तुम? यू कैन नॉट जस्ट कीप गिविंग
girls are
excuses.
molested too. Young girls, children are raped, and most of the time these things happen within the family. Someone from the family will assault you, and then how can you justify कि the women go out more, they are more friendly now, that's why it's happening. People who actually go out and party and night clubs में, they are more modern. वहाँ पे जो लड़के भी जाते हैं, most of the time they are like of modern, like proper mindset where they understand feminism and they understand women rights. So I don't think जहाँ पे लोग पार्टी करने जा रहे हैं, I don't think जहाँ पे सुहाना खान वगैरह पार्टी करते हैं, वहाँ पे they are scared of getting assaulted or raped. The most of the time this happens in lower income or lower like वैसे वाले बैकग्राउंड में जहाँ पे एजुकेशन इज लेस एंड दे गेट इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय आवर like movies and culture like that.
But even with the places where you are saying बहुत ही high class people go, even there the popular ones, someone जिसका political power बहुत है, जिसके family में ये वो लोग करते हैं कुछ भी. अगर दिमाग खराब हो गया तो
it will happen anywhere, but my point is वहाँ पे at least कम होगा. You can expect, like if I am going to a party with my friends and I am with my guy friends, I know कि मेरे कोई भी ऐसे लड़के दोस्त नहीं है जिनका thinking ऐसा है. So the only reason I am able to go with them is because I feel safe around them. I know I can let my guard down around them. But you can't say the same about a woman who is just doing a job and going back home at night, or a child who is just simply in her crib chilling. If you are a rapist, you are assaulting, it's on you. It's 100%, no matter what someone, like if someone even goes and stands naked in front of you and still says that no, you can't have sex with me, that means no, you can't have sex with me. You can't be like कि वो मेरे सामने खड़ी थी and then so I did it.
वही कोई भी बुरखे में हो या कुछ भी बिकिनी में हो, इट डजंट मैटर, व्हाट यू आर डूइंग इज रॉन्ग, इट कैन नॉट बी जस्टिफाइड। जिस दिन लोगों को ये समझ में आ गया ना, आधी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगी।
That's the thing, it's so deep rooted ना, अभी भी तुम
It's deep rooted because I'll tell you, anger, jealousy, greed, laziness and lust, 5 things needs to be controlled. अगर तुम नहीं कंट्रोल करोगे, there is no extent to what, like ये बढ़ते ही जाएंगे। You cannot, like limitlessly they'll increase. एंगर लिमिटलेसली इट कैन इंक्रीज। कोई भी इंसान को कंट्रोल नहीं किया अपना गुस्सा तो कितना भी गुस्सा हो सकता है। सेम थिंग विद ग्रीड, जेलसी, सेम थिंग विद लेजीनेस एंड सेम थिंग विद लस्ट। एंड द प्रॉब्लम हियर इज, लस्ट को कंट्रोल करने के लिए लड़कों को कभी बोला ही नहीं जाता है। No, it's completely justified to have lust.
लस्ट तो है, उनका है, like it's something you have, they can't control it, you control yourself। अपने आप को कार्डबोर्ड बॉक्स में घुसा के तुम जाओ,
वहां भी तुम नहीं सेफ रहोगी, उससे भी नहीं सेफ रहोगी भाई, कुछ नहीं सेफ, क्योंकि इट्स जस्टिफाइड इन द सोसाइटी। लड़कों को एंटाइटलमेंट मिल गया कि हाँ चलो जाओ करो, अगर तुम्हें लस्ट आ रहा है ना, ये लड़की कपड़े छोटे पहनी हुई है, लस्ट आ रहा है, तुम्हारी गलती नहीं है, इट्स टोटली ओके एंड ही विल थिंक इट्स ओके, व्हाटएवर ही इज फीलिंग एंड व्हाटएवर ही इज डूइंग इज ओके, क्योंकि हमारी घटिया सोसाइटी ने उसको ऐसा सोचने पे मजबूर किया है।
अभी भी इतना सारा जो बोलते हैं ना, जो भी एडवांसमेंट होता है, एंड दे आर लाइक कि वो वी आर डूइंग दिस फॉर वुमेन सेफ्टी एंड दिस फॉर वुमेन सेफ्टी, बट वॉट एवर दे एक्चुअली डू, इट्स ऑल जस्ट रेस्ट्रिक्शंस ऑन वुमेन।
हाँ,
हाउ इज दैट इंश्योरिंग वुमेन सेफ्टी? गो टू द बेसिक्स, टीच योर सन्स actual में what is a woman's right. Don't let him learn to objectify women.
Exactly.
Don't, like I've seen moms who are modern moms, you know, like with like proper jeans पहना हुआ, खुश है अपने लाइफ में, they talk to their sons like this कि ओ उस लड़की के पास मत जाना, and they'll be like, you know, लड़कियां जल्दी mature हो जाती है ना, they'll take advantage of you, बेटा, don't be, she is wearing short clothes, don't go to the, like if you as a woman you are teaching this to your son, then of course he will grow up with that mentality. If you as a teacher in school is like, okay, this guy is doing this just because he's a guy, but the girl is doing it because she's horny, and this guy will obviously look at her, like there's no way to stop the guy from ogling, so let's like ढकाओ the girl.
बट क्या ढकने से क्या प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जा रही है? आई डोंट थिंक सो।
नेवर
नहीं होगी ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व, बिकॉज इट नीड्स टू बी कंट्रोल्ड, like लड़कों की तरफ
changed.
से।
I feel like not controlled also, because controlled they tried to do with women.
See, guys will have lust, but they need to control it. ऐसा नहीं होता कि तुम्हें गुस्सा आया और तुमने मर्डर कर दिया।
I disagree with you here. I feel like men and women both have lust.
Yeah,
it's a quality
exactly.
that we all have.
No, I totally agree. Humans have lust.
Yeah. But somehow it's been made into this thing कि guys are lustful. They have this. It's like a right they have that हाँ तुम पहनोगे हम तो देखेंगे. What is this? Like
physiologically, guys are supposed to be more like
yeah, I think you were telling me that day, right? Something about lust and guys. I found it very like you were telling me कि पहले it was considered like to be a real man you have to be able to control your desires. वो वाला
Indian culture, yes. लोग जो बोलते हैं ना कि Indian culture में है कि top to bottom तक ढके रहे लड़कियां, इस्लाम वगैरह में होगा, ठीक है, I'm not saying कि नहीं, but ancient India में ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता था कि लड़कियों को पूरा ढक के रहना है, क्योंकि लड़कियां उस टाइम काम करती थी, घर के बाहर जाती थी काम कर। अगर आप ऑलरेडी हमारे स्क्रिप्चर्स में जाके पढ़ोगे तो लड़कियां घर संभालने में भी हेल्प करती थी और घर के बहुत सारे काम में भी हेल्प करती थी। तो वैसे में ट्रॉपिकल कंट्री में पॉसिबल नहीं है कि आप ऊपर से लेके नीचे तक ढके रहो। कहीं किसी स्क्रिप्चर में ऐसा नहीं लिखा है कि लड़कियों को ऊपर से लेके नीचे तक ढके रहना है, नोवेयर। बट लड़कों के लस्ट के बारे में लिखा है दैट guys need to control it, as like humans लिखा है कि humans need to control their lust। और लड़कों को उस टाइम पे ये सिखाया जाता था कि you cannot, मतलब अगर तुम lust practice कर रहे हो, it's as bad as practicing greed or anger or jealousy. It's as bad as that.
Even in Christianity, it's one of the deadly sins, right?
Yeah.
Lust. You have to like, you can't.
Yes. So you have to control it. और अगर उस टाइम पे, पहले के टाइम पे सबको ये पता था कि रेप कपड़ों की वजह से नहीं होता, our ancestors knew better. कहीं किसी स्क्रिप्चर में लड़कियों के कपड़े के बारे में कुछ नहीं लिखा है, ठीक है? एंड तो ये हमारा इंडियन कल्चर कैसे बन गया आई डोंट नो, ऊपर से लेके नीचे तक ढके रहना. दिस इज समथिंग दैट मुगल्स एंड ब्रिटिशर्स ब्रॉट इनटू आवर कंट्री. ब्रिटिशर्स
That
ने
too,
लड़कियों
because
को
of
बहुत
the-
अपने कपड़ों के लिए शेम किया है. दे इंट्रोड्यूस्ड ब्लाउजेस एंड ऑल. एंड
And I think that Ghungat wala thing also, it happened when the Mughal invasions were happening,
Yes.
and that time there was this like
क्योंकि मुगल्स
this was the norm कि when they captured lands they would rape the
religion में there
women
was a
of
lot of पर्दा. There was a lot of पर्दा. You can see burqa and all ना. There was a lot of पर्दा women's के. But मुगल्स में, but Indian women का अगर तुम देख लो, you cannot find a single sculpture with a girl's head covered.
just
You
look at
cannot
the
find it.
Ajanta Ellora caves, such intricate work.
That
and
is
it's
for a
like,
different thing. That is for teaching you.
no, but that's what, if we were so bold to put our sexuality
obviously we were-
carved into rocks in caves.
Because
We were
sexuality
so-
is the, because education is important. Our ancestors
Yeah.
knew that sex education is
Yeah,
important.
exactly. You know, sex education was an integral part of
We
the
have Kama
like,
Sutra and people
yeah.
think Kama Sutra is about positions
Oh,
and all.
hush hush वैसे वाला एकदम.
No, it's like proper sex education. You will find it there. ठीक है, तो that is completely a different thing. लेकिन अगर हम लोग सिर्फ लड़कियों के कैरेक्टर पे आ जाए तो कहा गया है कि किसी भी लड़की का कैरेक्टर इस चीज से जज होता है कि वो कितनी लॉयल है अपने फैमिली में और कितना केयर करती है, कितना प्यार करती है अपने फैमिली को. उससे उसका कैरेक्टर पता चलता है, कपड़ों से नहीं. तो ये कहाँ से आता है इंडियन कल्चर वाला बात? दिस इज लाइक मुगल का कल्चर बोल लो, दिस इज लाइक ब्रिटिशर्स बोल.
I don't think even it's Mughal ka culture, but yeah, the invasions that happened, Mughal invasion, British invasion, that created a lot of changes in the culture,
The
which is
Rajput
fine.
people started taking घूंघट because मुगल्स बोलते थे कि जो
Invasions के
लड़कियां अपना
time.
मुंह कवर नहीं करती है, they felt it's their right to see. मतलब ये वहीं से
I
आया
think
है.
that time they had this norm also, no? Whenever they fought in wars and they captured lands, they would just consider everything within the land as their own, like as their object. So they would just kill the men and they would rape the women.
Yeah.
So it was like so to
So
like
this
for
is
their
not
own-
our culture. This is the
Yeah.
culture of theirs and they were not good people to be honest. जो कांड उन्होंने किए हैं and हमारा इंडियन कल्चर ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. हमारे इंडियन कल्चर में women की बहुत रिस्पेक्ट की जाती है. You can see all the wars mentioned in the
But it's
scriptures.
so washed out now, Shana.
It
Like,
is, it
no
is,
one
but
never remembers.
exactly that is the problem.
अभी
You can
उसको
see-
ऐसे ट्विस्ट कर दिया है. इट्स लाइक अभी somehow it's again on women कि तुमने अपना इंडियन कल्चर, तुम अपना इंडियन कल्चर भूल गए हो because you are not wearing sari salwar, you are working, you are going to a
I wear
gym,
sari salwar.
you are not at home cooking, taking care of your family, you are not married
I
at
don't
your
understand
age.
how, you know, Draupadi, she was a woman of culture, but she was also a woman of education. वो संभालती थी education country में, वो संभालती थी like उनका treasury वो संभालती थी, economic decisions वो
Finances.
लेती थी, finances वो kind of a financial minister, जो कि बहुत ही strong position होता है, उसको मिला था as a woman. So where is
सोचो इंडिपेंडेंस के टाइम भी झांसी की रानी, she is literally like fighting on horseback.
she was going against patriarchy. It was very difficult for her.
Yeah.
Ancient Indian women के लिए इतना difficult नहीं था because men knew better then. Our Indian men had culture then. But अभी patriarchy Britishers के time में it was very prevalent. तो उस टाइम पे उनको काफी दिक्कत हुआ था. मतलब वही तो तुम Britishers के rules देखो ना कैसे थे. They were saying कि कोई फीमेल नहीं आ सकती है थ्रोन पे, या तो कोई मेल होना चाहिए, नहीं तो हम तुम्हारा किंगडम ले लेंगे. दैट वाज व्हाट शी वाज फाइटिंग अगेंस्ट एंड शी वाज लाइक है मेरा मेल बच्चा, ही इज माय सन. दे लाइक नहीं ये तो अडॉप्टेड है. हाउ कैन यू डू दिस? अगर ऑलरेडी देयर इज अ क्वीन फॉर अ किंगडम, हाउ कैन यू टेक ओवर हर किंगडम? तो ये रूल्स पेट्रियार्की वाले ब्रिटिशर्स भी लेके आए हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि
हाँ, देखो
इंडियन
पूरे वर्ल्ड वाइड ही है. जस्ट बिकॉज वी आर कॉन्सेंट्रेटिंग दिस वीडियो ऑन इंडिया, लाइक सेफ्टी इन
But I
इंडिया,
really- I-
डजंट मीन कि वर्ल्ड वाइड नहीं है.
आई डीपली फील दिस कि वर्ल्ड वाइड होगा, बट अगर एंशियंट इंडिया में चले जाए ना, मुझे कहीं पेट्रियार्की नहीं दिखता है. इट्स
did not
ऑलवेज
exist then ना babe.
yeah, it's always
was
like
not
you can
there.
see whatever the teachings, okay, जो भी teachings किए गए हैं men को कल्चर सिखाने के लिए किए गए हैं, बट somehow इस टाइम पे सिर्फ women से कल्चर एक्सपेक्ट किया जाता है. men रेप कर सकते हैं, ये उनका कल्चर है, लेकिन women से सारा इंडियन कल्चर हम women से एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं. जबकि हमारे जो एंशिएंट इंडियन स्क्रिप्चर्स जो सिखाने के लिए एक्चुअली गीता या जो भी बने, वहाँ मोस्ट ऑफ द टीचिंग्स इज like
Yeah.
for humans, men and women
Yeah.
both.
It's
कोई-
about like respecting and treating each other equally and uplifting the society together.
हाँ, तो मुझे नहीं
Not like कि एक परसेंट लाइक आधा जनता को डोमिनेट करके बाकी आधा रूल करेगा.
मुझे नहीं समझ में आता कि सारा कल्चर लड़कियों से ही क्यों एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं. What about
And
the
it was
culture of the
never
rapist?
about that. Throughout history also, whenever like with growth, whenever men went to battle, there were a lot of other women working on other things as well. But somehow through history it got highlighted ऐसे कि like it's all about the men. Men are doing this, men are doing that, but I don't think they could have achieved a single thing if there were no women to support it, to be honest.
Obviously, this is how the nature works. Men and women combined, right?
And I feel ki women can be a lot more smarter than men sometimes, because I'll tell you why. Not in terms of like education or like brain IQ, but I feel like men think
with their
through
ego
and aggression, and they think through power. Like they're like कि वही ego का ही reason है वो भी कि I don't want to, so they take decisions based on that. But women are much more logical, they are much more cunning, they see the long picture, they can understand कि यहाँ पे मैं diplomatic होंगी तो मेरे को आगे जाके फायदा मिलेगा.
Men realized ego, men realized men पहले भी ego feel करते थे, but the thing was they were taught पहले से ही, बचपन से ही उनका जो teachings होता था ना इतना strong होता था, मतलब religion morals सनातन धर्म उनको इतना strongly सिखाता था कि ये चीजें सही नहीं है, तुम्हें ये control करना है, तुम्हें ये करना है, तुम्हें नहीं करना. So they were men of culture. आजकल के लड़कों को कोई culture नहीं सिखाया जाता है, culture खाली लड़कियों से expect किया जाता है, और क्या expect किया जाता है कि तुम पूरा ऊपर से लेकर नीचे तक covered रहो.
को भी अगर सिखाया भी जाता है कल्चर, तो वही सिखाया जाता है कि ये लड़की अच्छी है, वो लड़की गंदी है.
ये कल्चर सिखाया जाता है. तो दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम.
इवन इन आवर कॉलेज एंड ऑल, वी हैव नोन पीपल हु वुड डेट लाइक द हॉटेस्ट, लाइक हु वुड एटलीस्ट वांट टू डेट द हॉटेस्ट एंड द लाइक एकदम शॉर्ट ड्रेसेस पहनने वाली, पार्टी करने वाली बंदियां. दे वुड बी वेरी अट्रैक्टेड टू गर्ल्स लाइक दैट, एंड देन एज सून एज दे गॉट इनटू अ रिलेशनशिप, they would spend their entire energy changing that girl into someone with like, don't wear this too much cleavage, don't wear that too short. I mean, bhai, that's the whole reason you were attracted to her in the first place.
They don't want other guys to be attracted.
And then you are like, oh my god, that is such a sick mentality. How can you're not owning the person, you are just dating them. She is her own person, she can do whatever she wants.
I get some level of possessiveness, I get,
but it's not possessiveness, it's ownership. It's not like कि मैं कपड़े पहन के 4 लड़कों के साथ नाचने जा रही हूँ. It's just because I'm wearing the clothes that I like. You can't tell me कि what I can and can't wear.
There has to be a boundary.
There has to be a boundary. And अगर what do you feel like अगर हम लोग ऐसे बात करें कि like I was saying, the lower income and the basti slum people who are not that educated or not that prone to modern terms, like they don't understand feminism, women rights, so what do you think influences them? Like they believe in this kind of culture, right, कि ढके हुए लड़कियां are the better people, and then other girls are not good and they can do whatever they want with them.
Stare कर सकते हैं जितना चाहे उतना.
Maybe like they get influenced by a lot of things, like you said, government. When government says speeches like the girl must be unstable, what was she doing alone at that time of night, those things, like because they don't have access to that kind of education, but they do have access to news, they do have access to movies. When you make movies like Animals and Kabir Singh, and then there are a certain group of people who protest or like who are like ये गंदी movie है, that's what other people are protecting that movie, saying कि तो क्या हो गया, सुपर हीरो का मूवी बनाएंगे तो सुपर हीरो थोड़ी निकल आएगा.
जब लड़कों का ईगो वाला कैरेक्टर को इतना विन करते हुए दिखाते हैं ना, guys get that adrenaline rush, and that it makes them feel good, इसलिए उनको मूवी इतनी पसंद आ रही थी.
Because see, that's what I'm saying, even if you make a very woman empowering movie, art film,
देखने नहीं जाएगा.
हाँ, वो फेमस ही नहीं होगा, तो it's not reaching that target audience, and the target audience जिनका हमें mindset change करना है, वहाँ पे commercial hits जाती है, and the commercial hits are the movies where you like basically you create a hero, superhero kind of, from a guy who is egomaniac, who is character shaming women, who is sleeping around with women, and he's justifying all that, and he's feeling powerful and good about himself, and you are glorifying that character and making a movie, and the like majority of people in India are watching that, and most people don't even understand the difference between the reality and the movie. So they are trying to portray that. जो like suppose अनएडुकेटेड इलिटरेट लोग जो यही सब से अपना सीखते हैं, उनके अंदर जो ईगो है वो कितना बूस्ट होता है ये सब मूवी देख के कि हाँ फिर मैं भी ऐसे ही करूंगा ना, मैं भी अपने बीवी को छोड़ के दो और लड़की के साथ सो के आऊंगा।
द रियल प्रॉब्लम इज लड़कों में अकाउंटेबिलिटी इतना कम हो गया है, इतना कम हो गया है दैट उनमें वो चीज रही नहीं गई। द मॉरल कंपस हैज बिकम वेरी वीक फॉर देम।
There is no moral compass
when it comes to women.
Yeah,
there is no moral compass.
See, that's the thing. If I am someone who likes these kind of things, जिसका mentality बिल्कुल ऐसा है and मेरा अंदर ही अंदर वैसा ही rapist वाला ही है, maybe I've never done it, but I feel that when I see a woman going by wearing short clothes.
I think rapes इतने सारे जो हो रहे हैं वो तो हो ही रहे हैं, लड़के कर ही रहे हैं, but जो नहीं भी कर रहे हैं बहुत से लड़कों में tendency होती है,
बहुत लोगों में होती है। तो that's my point। अगर मैं ऐसे देख के होता हूँ and then I see on news कि things like this happen, this brutal murder and rape, and people are protesting, but somehow government is telling ki somehow it must be the girls this thing fault or something, and then I see the lack of accountability. It will give me power. It will be like क्या ही कर लेंगे यार, कभी मुझे भी मौका मिलेगा तो मैं भी कर ही लूँगा, क्या ही होगा। But at the same time, if I am a potential rapist and I'm watching the news जहाँ पे एक rapist को publicly lynch करके capital punishment murder किया जा रहा है, kill किया जा रहा है, I would be so scared. So that fear is not there. It's lacking completely.
At least in India, yeah, it is.
It is like
I feel that this is very important that we should have a strong punishment for rape. First of all, second thing is लड़कों का moral compass इतना weak हो चुका है. They need to have some morals towards girls. आप बाकी सब चीजें सिखाते हो, आप murder wrong है ये सिखा दोगे, आप चोरी wrong है ये सिखा दोगे, rape करना कितना गलत है, वो thoughts आने कितने गलत है, वो क्यों नहीं सिखाया जाता है लड़कों को? Why they are made to feel that it's okay to sexualize a girl? क्यों ये लड़की की ही गलती है, लड़की ने कुछ पहना होगा, लड़की बाहर जाती है, लड़की रात में गई थी, ये सब क्यों हो रहा है? क्यों हो रहा है ये सब? क्यों नहीं लड़कों को सिखाया जा रहा है that it is not okay कि वो लड़की कहीं भी हो, कुछ भी पहनी हो, it is not okay to sexualize a person. You can just sexualize your partner, that's it. उनके साथ fun करो जितना करना है, but if it's not consensual, it's a crime. ये चीज़ क्यों नहीं सिखाया जा रहा है उनको? उनको moral education देना, it is extremely important.
वो भी चीज है ना यार, सेक्स एजुकेशन इज सो हश हश इन इंडिया।
सेक्स एजुकेशन कैसे हश हश था यार? You yourself was saying ना एलोरा केव्स में क्या हुआ? तो
right now that's what I'm saying।
वही, but what I feel that क्यों हुआ है right now इतना हश हश, जब उस टाइम पे you can carve on the caves
you literally have a book for sex,
you have book and it's like publicly displayed, right? तो उस टाइम पे हश हश नहीं था, तो अब ऐसा क्या शर्म आ गया है हमें? Because we know that हमें lustful feel होता है।
No, but this plays a big role also because of this lust, because they don't have a proper channel बचपन से। You don't learn what's healthy in sex, what's unhealthy. All you learn is like नहीं छुपाना है। Most people can't even talk to their parents about sex directly, right? Whatever they learn from friends.
I think like बहुत पहले इंडियन कल्चर में they knew what mental health is, how the brain works and everything, and they knew what is healthy and what is not healthy. यहाँ पे लड़कों को लिटरली ये नहीं सिखाया जा रहा है कि रेप वगैरह खराब है, बट सेक्स एजुकेशन एंड ऑल का टाइम आ जाएगा तो सब उसको प्रोटेस्ट करने के लिए आ जाएंगे उसके ऊपर। उस टाइम पे ऐसा होता था कि उन्हें सिखाया जाता था दैट देखो ये तुम्हारा मॉरल्स है, तुमको इसको फॉलो करना है, बट या दिस इज नॉट अ बैड थिंग। सेक्स इज लाइक द बेसिक
Sex is supposed to be powerful. It brings life into the world. It releases so many hormones.
Exactly.
It makes you happy.
Exactly. तो वो चीज को एक हेल्दी वे में एजुकेट किया जाता था लोगों को, rather than just ओ चुप सेक्स के बारे में नहीं सोचना।
इसी का ये और ज्यादा खराब इसलिए है क्योंकि then what happens, there are this hormonal teens who are learning stuff from other hormonal teens who are learning stuff from the internet, from hardcore porn and all those things.
So much negativity there.
Rubbish is there in
So
internet. Oh my god,
much.
you can search for anything and you will find it there, and it's just so fucked up. And if you can't talk to
How
your
did we get
parents,
here?
you can't talk
How
to your
did we
parents
get
about
here?
sex, but you can search it in
We
the
feel
internet.
like we are in the 21st century, super educated, smart people.
We are not,
But
we are
we
not. If anything, we are going
fucked
backwards
up.
in certain things.
We are messed up. Trust me, and this has just happened क्योंकि लड़कों को लड़कियों को नीचे दिखाना है, और अब तो कुछ लड़कियां भी आ गई है उनको लड़कों को नीचे दिखाना. नीचे ही दिखाते रह जाओगे तो पूरा एज अ सोसाइटी हम नीचे ही जाएंगे. We need to
वही है ना.
uplift each other.
We have to understand and we have to stop this patriarchy. We have to stop this objectifying women. It's not even a new thing. Women empowerment, women's rights. It has been there since long back. It just got lost so badly that now no one is there to bring it back. Like no one is there to understand. And तुम जो बोल रही हो ना कि there's no morals left. Why will there be morals left? जब तुमको बचपन से सिखाया ही जा रहा है कि तुम्हारे actions का कोई consequences ही नहीं है. You can get away with anything just because you are born with a dick. Like then you will grow up to be that way, and the cycle will continue. You will teach the same thing to your children. And there are women who support patriarchy because they were also like growing up in the same culture. They never, not everyone learns to rebel, not everyone wants to have that fight back mentality. Some people are just so used to that domination that they are okay with it, and that's what they will teach their children. This is where the problem lies. I feel like government and movies and social media, जहाँ पे भी हमको अभी influence मिलता है ना, it's a big deal because social media, movies, news, ये सब सबको reach करता है. So we have to make it heard. Like we have to make women's rights heard. Like we have to make it so common that people are like, this is like waking up in the morning and drinking water. You can't objectify women, bottom line. No matter what she was wearing, where she was going, with whom she was, whether she was drunk or not, nothing justifies your actions if you are assaulting someone.
या अगर खुले में सपोज मैं कोई एक्सपेंसिव सामान ऐसे रखूं और किसी ने चुरा लिया, इट्स स्टिल अ क्राइम. सो पता नहीं इस चीज को, तो वो तो ऑब्जेक्ट है यार, ये तो एक जीता जागता इंसान है जो सामने से तुम्हें नहीं बोल रहा है. देन हाउ कैन यू बी सो ब्रूटल?
देयर आर सो मेनी public assaults also, and you will see if someone is getting assaulted, most of the time आजू बाजू के लोग कुछ नहीं करते. They will just ignore and go on with their day. So it's so easy. If I see as like a abuser, if I see it's so easy to do it, and I love to do this thing which is illegal by the way, but it's so easy to get away with it, why wouldn't I do it? I would want to do it.
It's high time that we stop victim blaming and we actually
बहुत गंदा punishment मिलना चाहिए, you know, to the point where like 5 generation of rapists like are so scared that their dick doesn't get hard ever again. इतना गंदा punishment होना चाहिए.
not just like with dick, even girls raping guys. That is also.
Yeah, I mean, see, obviously, but it's just so less compared to what's going on right
each
now.
and every आप किसी भी लड़की से पूछ लो, उसके साथ कुछ ना कुछ
हुआ ही होगा.
होता है.
Have you ever been assaulted like minor or whatever?
इधर उधर touches. Obviously.
Same, and it's so normal. That's what, even with us, we are protesting so much, but even with us, when we were growing up, when these things happened, you were not able, like, did you go and complain to the police कि कोई बंदा, we let it go, we were like, oh my god,
अभी
something
मेरे
happened.
साथ उतना नहीं हो रहा है, बट जब मैं बच्ची थी तब ज्यादा होता था यार. जब मैं छोटी बच्ची थी तब क्राउडेड प्लेसेस में मेरे साथ ज्यादा होता था. इनफैक्ट ऐसे एज में भी हुआ है जब मुझे समझ में भी नहीं आता था कि हो क्या रहा है, और मुझे बाद में जब मैं ग्रो अप की तब मुझे वो याद आके समझ आया कि वो कितना गलत चीज मेरे साथ हो रहा था. तो ऐसा होता है. तो
and you don't, honestly, you don't know how to react at that moment.
it can
It's
happen.
so
It
weird.
can happen with your family also. It can happen with your daughter also. आज आपको नहीं फील होगा क्योंकि आपको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, आप लड़के हो, आप एकदम सेफ हो, बट आगे चल के आपकी बेटी होगी, उसके साथ होगा. छोटे एज में जब वो बच्ची होगी तब होगा. ये सब इतना prevalent है यार. And I have seen the guys like uncle के age के, और वो completely normal दिख रहे हैं.
Someone you wouldn't even guess,
exactly,
right?
वो लोग करते हैं
the same, like I would say with me, that's what, with victim blaming, see, that is the problem. I got groped in public once, and I was in class 10th or 9th, and I was wearing my school uniform. I was coming back in a public bus from school, and there was this office time, school time में भीड़ रहता है ना, and there was this guy who would be like अभी हम लोग जितने एज के हैं, just normal backpack वाला ऑफिस से लौटता हुआ बंदा, and he saw the opportunity and he touched me, and it made me so uncomfortable. I didn't even like it. It's so sudden and it's so unexpected, right? You don't know how to react. I just stomped on his foot, or I just stomped on his foot, and like he removed his hand. But that's what I'm saying.
So
it's so
sad.
normal that we are like, oh my god, this happened. Okay, moving on. But it shouldn't be like this. It should be like, how dare you touch me? I'm going to fucking kill you right now, right here.
Exactly.
They should be so scared of this, right?
Seriously, I was like not groped, but you know, inappropriately touched, like very inappropriately, not halka fulka, in hospital when I was a child. Imagine. क्या कर सकते हैं यार? This is the reality, and
That's the thing. This is the reality. Even if it doesn't go to rape, it's still wrong. This any unconsented touch that you feel that you can touch me without my consent is wrong, and there should be consequences for that.
There should be consequences.
Just because वहाँ पे नहीं है ना consequences, that's why it's so easy.
Yes, there should be
like
consequences.
fine, मैं rape नहीं कर रहा ना, but अभी मौका मिल रहा है थोड़ा touch कर लेता हूँ, but उसमें तो मेरे को कुछ होगा नहीं. No one is going to care. No one is going to even find out. घर जाके मेरे पता नहीं, मैं शादी है, बच्चे है, उसमें भी फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. There's no like nothing to do about it, and I just honestly I feel very helpless sometimes, to the point where I feel like जब मेरे को इतना frustration होता है ना, मेरे को मन करता है कि मैं बहुत जूडो, मार्शल आर्ट्स ये सब सीख लूँ, और फिर मेरे को कोई आए किसी दिन परेशान करने और उसको मैं मार मार के भरता बना दूँ, and somehow I get famous and people are like, look, this girl killed her rapist or something like that, and then people be scared of women कि अब लड़कियाँ पगला गई है.
काश.
But I think I'm telling you, women should rage. Women should be blind with rage, to the point where someone touches you, like when you don't want them to touch you, just break their fingers. Like, how can you? Don't be scared. Like, you have done nothing wrong. So you need to fight back. You have to be like boiling with rage. मैं सोचती हूँ अगर ऐसा कोई इंसिडेंट अभी मेरे साथ हो ना, मैं उस बंदे को like गाड़ दूं जिंदा यार, मैं पगला जाऊंगी यार, गो क्रेजी ऑन हिम.
पता है, इट्स अ सैड रियलिटी कि इस एज में उतना नहीं होता है जितना चाइल्डहुड में होता है.
नहीं होगा, because now you know how to fight back.
Exactly, तो बच्चों के साथ ये बहुत होता है. So please, for your daughters or your future daughters, please like आप थोड़ा अपना moral compass सीधा करो.
उनको सिखाओ how to protect themselves, and more than that, if you have a son, you have sons, just teach them right. This is my request. If I could, I would put it in a press conference to all the parents out there ki teach your sons right. It's so important. Like, I have seen guys जिनके बहनें भी हैं and still they don't know how to respect women. They
don't even respect their sisters.
They don't, because they don't understand what that respect means.
They're like, बस इसको protect करना है, ढक के रहो, यहाँ नहीं जाना है, ये नहीं करना है, वो नहीं करना है, बस restrictions
because
लगाते हैं.
It's easy to restrict the woman, right, rather than changing the whole society.
Exactly.
अगर तुम, और सबसे ज़्यादा तब होता है, बताए, अगर मैं लड़का हूँ और मुझे पता है कि मैं 10 लड़कियाँ चेकआउट करता हूँ, and then I have a sister and she goes out, I will know I'll feel कि हाँ, अगर मैं चेकआउट करता हूँ तो और भी लड़के चेकआउट करते ही होंगे ना. I don't want मेरी बहन को कोई चेकआउट करे. Restrict. That's not the correct way. You don't check out. You teach your friends, if they are like that, not to check out. Be like, this is not right.
Exactly. That is what I feel. जो लड़के restrictions लगाते हैं ना अपनी बहन के ऊपर, मुझे लगता है वो लोग खुद बाहर जाके दूसरों की बहन को देखते हैं, and that's why they do it.
Yeah.
And it's so wrong. I think that's it.
Yeah.
That's all we wanted to discuss.
There's not really much conclusion to this topic, but I strongly suggest be angry right now. I think a lot of people in India are angry. This is the time to be angry. I mean, अगर अभी भी action नहीं लेते हैं, कोई government अभी भी कुछ नहीं करता है, there's no change right now, even in 2024, then it's really sad for us as a country. We are not moving forward at all. If anything, we are going backwards.
True. Okay.
So, yeah.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Be safe.
Hopefully.
Yeah.